2020 Chevrolet Spark LS Forward Silverized Metallic No Charge Lifetime Powertrain Warranty, provides protection for as long as you own the car to the key component groups essential to keeping the vehicle running: the engine, transmission/transfer case/all-wheel drive assembly, and drivetrain assembly. Service performed by John Sinclair Nissan. New oil filter and 5,000-mile synthetic oil change. BG engine performance restoration. It dissolves deposits, prevents sludge buildup. BG Advanced Formula W/Loma stabilizes oil viscosity, sludge and varnish. BG Fuel System Cleaner restores vehicle performance and power. Winter Service Special, Fuel Injector Treatment, Fuel System Dryer and Coolant System Additive, Replaced Air Filter, Replaced In-Cabin Microfilter helps with allergies, New Wiper Blades, New Tires, Apple CarPlay/Android Auto. Preferred equipment Group 1 SP odometer is 8,639 miles below market average 30/38 city/highway mpg.